Tired of trying to trade, watching chart all day and still not making money? What if I told you there is a way to copy professional traders and let AI do the work for you? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to make trading simple. Hey everyone, my name is Lamia, and in today's video I'm going to introduce you to copy trading, what it is, how it works and how it can benefit you. Plus, I'll walk you through how to get started if this is something you're interested in. This is not financial advice, I'm sharing an opportunity that you may find interesting. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is copy trading? So copy trading is fully automated system where you connect your trading account to a professional trader's account. Every trade they make is automatically copied in your account in real time. This means whenever they buy or sell an asset, the same trade is executed in your account without you having to do anything. Why this is important? Because most people fail at trading due to emotions. Have you ever felt the panic of seeing your trade go down and sold too early just before it bounced back? Or the greed of holding onto trades too long, hoping for more profit, only to watch it crash? Maybe you've even had the frustration of spending hours staring at a chart, second guessing every move. That's what makes trading so hard. Your emotions control your decisions, and when you're in the heat of the moment, making the wrong choice can cost you money. How is copy trading different? No emotional stress. The AI follow a tested strategy, so you don't have to worry about fear or greed. No second guessing. Trades are executed based on logic and data, not feeling. No time commitment. You don't have to sit in front of screen all day. With copy trading, you remove the emotional roller coaster and let the proven system handle the trades for you. Now that you understand what copy trading is and why it helps eliminate emotional mistakes, let me introduce you Smartify Trading, the platform that makes this process effortless. I had the opportunity to meet the team behind Smartify Trading and I was really impressed by their approach. And like most platforms, they focus on full transparency, real trading strategies and risk management. Smartify Trading is an AI-powered copy trading service that allows you to automatically mirror the trade of professional traders. The best part, everything is automated, transparent and completely in your control. So why choose Smartify Trading? Consistent profit potential. While no investment is risk-free, Smartify Trading aims for 10% monthly return, backed by smart AI-driven strategies. Total transparency. Every trade made is visible in your account, so you always know what's happening. Risk diversification. The AI doesn't just bet on one market, it spreads trades across multiple assets to minimize risk. 100% control over your money. You can start, stop or withdraw anytime. Unlike traditional investment funds where your money is locked up. Hands-free trading. The AI and professional traders make all the decisions so you don't have to. Simple setup. Takes just few minutes to get started. How does it work? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started with Smartify Trading and let AI trade for you. Step 1. Register your account by clicking the link below. Sign up, fill your details and complete the quick verification process. Make sure to use the same email and allow cookies during sign up. Step 2. Fund your trading account. Minimum deposit is $1,100 recommended for best result. Use credit card, bank transfer or digital payment method. Your fund remains in your own account at all time. And step 3, install the copy trading app. Download the Moneta Copy Trade app from the Play Store or App Store. Link your account using the details sent to your email. Step 4, activate copy trading with Smartify. Search for Smartify Trading inside the Copy Trade app. Click copy and set your trading proportion to 1-to-1 proportional balance. Agree to the terms and start your automated trading journey. Real people, real results. This isn't just another trading bot. This is a system built by experienced traders using AI to maximize profit while keeping risk under control. Thousands of people, even those with zero trading experience, are now making passive income just by letting AI handle the trades. The best part, you're still in full control of your money. AI is transforming the way we invest and early adopters always benefit the most. If you've been looking for a way to earn passively from trading without spending hours learning charts, this could be the easiest way to get started. Click the link below, register your account, and let AI do the work for you. Got a question? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and join our Telegram community. Link is below. That's it from me today, and I'll see you in the next one.